Hey guys, so today's Tango is sponsored by the rain that washed away the match between Delhi Capital and Sunrisers Hyderabad. I was rooting for Hyderabad guys. This was a clear and easy win for the SRH guys. Only if the rain god was not happy with Delhi Capitals, I think this was a really easy win, and this kind of washed away their chance from IPL 2025. It is really unfortunate for these guys. I really thought Delhi Capital were going to get some good fighting from SRH. SRH made a good bowling today. They kind of collapsed the leading batsmen and the top order really pretty quickly. But again, then Ashutosh Sharma stood up and he kind of made a total that was kind of grace saving for Delhi, else the whole Delhi batting collapsed like house of cards. But yeah, it's really unfortunate guys. I really feel for you that this rain has washed away your game, and all I can say is I'm sorry for you guys. Yeah, so yeah, that was Tango for today. I'm really not a good moment to talk more about this match. It was really disheartening. So if you like to see such videos, you can see a playlist attached with videos where I have solved tangles previously. See you soon. I hope you enjoyed solving that with me. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such chill puzzle sessions. Also, please ring the bell icon to never miss a brain teaser again. Please drop down a comment with your score or suggestions. Let's crack the next one together. Bye.